when you go to the website, you look for the spreadsheet you're supposed to open up, like this one. Simply click on it. The spreadsheet will appear down here. Grab the spreadsheet and slide it to the left. Okay, once you've done that, you need to go to your Google Doc and open up your spreadsheet. Let me slide this over here. Click on here. New tab. Here. Sheets. Click on the blank sheet. When it opens up, simply click on the word File, Open, Upload, and see where it says right here? Drag the file there. Take your file. I'm going to slide this over some. Drag your file from here, right there. And it's going to upload automatically. And when it uploads, there you are. You're ready to go. Okay, hopefully that made sense.